In this video, I will show you how clone or download GitHub repository. When we are in repository you would like clone, you need to click on green button with text code. In drop down you have option to download zip file. If you press it, you can simply download zip file of repository. But we will clone this repository by copying link to repository. Now we will go to terminal. To clone repository, you need Git installed in your machine. If you don't have Git, you can watch video in description. Another advice, you open your terminal Git clone and paste link we copied in GitHub. It will start GitHub repository cloning. Before you do that, you can cd to folder where you want to clone repository, but I will just save it in my user directory. Now I need to go to Visual Studio Code or any other code editor and locate downloaded files and open it. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.